Today, we are going to take you on an extraordinary journey to one of Spain's most futuristic and awe-inspiring landmarks, the City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia, or La Ciudad de las Arts y las Ciencias. This architectural marvel, where science, art, and nature blend seamlessly, stands as a beacon of creativity, forward-thinking vision, and pure human ingenuity. Let me share with you not only the history behind this site, but also the diverse functions it serves, its unique features, and some fun stories along the way.
Let's start with a step back in time to understand how this site came to be. It was the early 1990s when the regional government of Valencia sought a way to put their city on the global map. They envisioned a space that would boost cultural tourism and showcase the very best of what science, technology, art, and culture have to offer. The mastermind chosen for this ambitious task was the internationally renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, a native of Valencia himself, whose modern, organic designs had already made waves across the world. He was later joined by architect Felix Candela, and together they brought to life a dream that would transform Valencia's old riverbed into a playground of wonder and imagination.
Interestingly, the City of Arts and Sciences sits on the former Turia riverbed, which was rerouted following a catastrophic flood in 1957. After the river's diversion, the land lay vacant for years, a vast, dry scar cutting through the city. But it has since undergone a breathtaking transformation. What was once a symbol of devastation has become a source of pride for the city.
Construction began in 1994, and the project opened in stages over the following decade. It started with El Hemisferic, a spectacular IMAX cinema and planetarium, in 1998 and grew to include the Museo de les Ciencias Príncipe Felipe, the Oceanographic, the Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, and more. Today, this six-structure complex is a multifaceted wonderland that has drawn millions of visitors, putting Valencia firmly in the global spotlight.
The City of Arts and Sciences is not just a pretty face. Every building has a unique purpose and design, beginning with El Hemisferic, often called the Eye of Knowledge. This breathtaking structure, designed to resemble a giant human eye, is a visual and symbolic nod to the importance of observation and exploration in science. Its enormous eyelid opens and closes using water and light, creating spectacular reflections in the pool surrounding it. Inside, it features one of the largest curved IMAX screens in Europe, making for an unforgettable experience.
Next, the Museo de les Ciencias Príncipe Felipe, which looks like a colossal whale skeleton, stands as a palace of discovery. Here, interactive exhibits invite you to touch, test, and experiment. The motto, "Prohibited not to touch," encourages hands-on exploration, making it a family favorite. From the wonders of physics to the human genome, this science museum turns complex concepts into exciting adventures. Oh, and did you know? The museum once made headlines for a fun blunder when an exhibition on longevity accidentally showed a glitch displaying a comically incorrect life expectancy for someone who'd long since passed away.
Moving on, the Oceanographic is the largest oceanographic park in Europe, featuring habitats that mimic different marine environments from the Arctic to the tropics. Its vast network of underwater tunnels lets visitors come face-to-face with sharks and manta rays. The dolphinarium is a fan favorite, but one funny fact is that, during the early days, the trainers had a persistent problem. The dolphins kept cheekily imitating the people, splashing them intentionally and basking in their startled reactions. Then we have the Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, the Opera House and Performing Arts Center, which is a marvel of engineering and acoustics. With its 4 venues and an exterior reminiscent of a warrior's helmet, it is a temple for the arts. The building's daring shape and delicate balance of materials made construction extremely challenging. So much so that Calatrava himself joked that sometimes he felt he was conducting an opera of cranes and scaffolding. Adding to the magic, the Umbracal is a vast open-air garden and gallery, where you can walk under soaring arches of white steel surrounded by Mediterranean plants and art installations. This space is not only perfect for leisurely strolls, but also provides panoramic views of the entire complex.
Finally, the Agora, an architectural marvel designed to resemble a giant clam, serves as a versatile event space that hosts a variety of activities, including sporting events, concerts, and exhibitions. Its most striking feature is its futuristic, foldable roof structure, which seems to have a personality of its own. This innovative design allows the roof to open and close, adapting to different events and weather conditions. However, this ambitious engineering feat has not been without its challenges. During its inaugural use at a tennis tournament, the roof famously got stuck halfway through the opening process. This unexpected glitch left the audience and players in suspense, unsure whether to continue the match or simply laugh at the situation. The incident has since become a memorable anecdote, highlighting both the ingenuity and occasional unpredictability of cutting-edge architecture.
Throughout this complex, you can see the influence of Valencia's heritage and Calatrava's love of biomimicry. Every structure mimics organic forms, be it a fish, a skeleton, or an eye. The materials used reflect the Mediterranean light, creating a sense of fluidity. Pools of water surrounding the buildings act as mirrors, amplifying the drama of the architecture and offering a calming ambience.
But beyond the stunning structures and their captivating aesthetics, the City of Arts and Sciences serves a much deeper purpose. This architectural masterpiece was meticulously designed to ignite curiosity and foster a profound love for the arts and sciences in all who visit. It stands as a beacon of knowledge and creativity, where learning and leisure seamlessly intertwine. The complex is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of scientific and artistic exploration. Each building within the City of Arts and Sciences is not just a marvel of modern architecture but also a hub of educational and cultural enrichment. The hemispheric, with its eye-shaped design, offers immersive IMAX films and planetarium shows that transport visitors to the farthest reaches of the universe. The Science Museum, with its interactive exhibits, encourages hands-on learning and sparks the imagination of both young and old. This extraordinary place is designed to be accessible and engaging for all age groups. Children can marvel at the wonders of science and nature, while adults can indulge in the rich cultural offerings and cutting-edge exhibitions. It's a place where families can bond over shared experiences, where students can find inspiration for their studies, and where tourists can immerse themselves in the vibrant cultural tapestry of Valencia. In essence, the City of Arts and Sciences is more than just a collection of impressive buildings. It is a living, breathing entity that embodies the spirit of discovery and the joy of learning. It invites everyone to explore, to question, and to be inspired by the endless possibilities that the arts and sciences have to offer.
This complex stands as a tribute to human creativity and a celebration of the boundless potential of our minds. It has certainly transformed the landscape of Valencia, not just physically but culturally. From IMAX shows that transport you to the farthest galaxies, to science exhibits that make learning joyous, and from the serenity of the underwater world to the thrill of a world-class opera performance, this site truly offers a universe of experiences.
So, the next time you find yourself in Valencia, prepare to be amazed by the City of Arts and Sciences. It's more than a destination, it's an unforgettable experience where the future feels alive, and your imagination takes flight.
Thank you for watching our video about our visit to Valencia. We hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with us. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel for more adventures and updates. Your support means a lot to us.